Hey there, it's me again, Denise. I'm so glad you're here and hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I'm excited to show you something new that you can try inside Kata Dojo AI. Together, we'll walk through a full Coaching Kata cycle using the KataJet scenario. If you're not familiar with the KataJet, no worries. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. Log in using the link or browser favorite you saved yesterday, and if you can't find it, check the email we sent along with this video. On your landing page, click Practice Coaching in the Dojo. Next, you'll choose Full Coaching Cycle, KataJet, and No Chili. Those other options we'll explore in a future video, including the spicy 3 chili version. Let's begin. If you'd like a quick refresher on the KataJet scenario, just type, "Before we get started, can you remind me of the details of the KataJet scenario?" I'll share everything you need to know to get you up to speed. Once you're ready, you'll ask, "What is your target condition?" That's how we'll kick off our coaching cycle, and I'll play the role of your improver. Using the Coaching Kata card attached to today's email to guide your questions in order, you'll respond with them after each of my responses. Since I just gave you my response for the target condition, you'll now ask, "What is the actual condition now?" After I share that with you, you'll ask the next question. What did you learn from taking your last step? Once I share that with you, you can ask the next question. What obstacles are preventing you from reaching the target condition? Once I share the obstacles, and you'll also note I said I've added them to the obstacle parking lot, you can ask the question, which one are you addressing now? Once I share the one I'm focused on, you can ask the next question, and what exactly is the problem? Once I share that, you can ask the next question. What is therefore your next step? And then, of course, you need to know, what do I expect? You can ask the question, what do you expect? Okay, now I've shared my predictions, and then you can ask the final question. How quickly can we go and see what we have learned from taking that step? When you complete the coaching cycle, you can see here I will share some feedback. It's a great way to strengthen your coaching skills, and I may prompt deepening questions you could use with your team or give you ideas on what to try in the future. Improvers don't always give the right answers, do they? I hope you've enjoyed this practice session as much as I did. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to role play the improver with you as my coach. And remember, this demo was recorded on a computer, but it works just as smooth on your mobile device. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video tomorrow.